How to make a stuffed heart. To make this heart, you need pencils, paper, pins, scissors, stuffing, white felt, thread and needle, and some decorations. Take a piece of paper, fold, and draw. Cut. Take felt fabric, put your pattern, and pin. Cut. Remove pins. Okay, take red thread and needle and sew right here and leave a space. When you get to this point, stop and then take your stuffing and insert. Okay, it's done. So now close up. When you get to this point, make a loop like this. Take decorations of your choice. I'm using these ones. I want to use the heart. It's done. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.